If you're thinking of starting a climate tech startup, you should be thinking about manufacturing as soon as possible. There's a concept in the manufacturing industry called DFM, Design for Manufacturing. And what that is that you actually think about how you're going to manufacture something and replicate it 1,000 times when you're in the design phase. And that actually saves you the most time and money.
As a mentor for Scale for ClimateTech, often I'll talk to founders that have a really interesting, innovative idea. They'll build some kind of proof of concept that demonstrates it works, demonstrates people want it. At that point, it's time to start talking to manufacturers, even though you don't have the final form of your product done yet. If you start with more of a proof of concept and start talking to manufacturers, they'll carve the path forward.
When you really truly know that you have product market fit, I'd say after the first 50 units, you should start thinking about what you might need to do to work with a contract manufacturer. It comes down to, do you feel like you can hire the right expertise? And does the financial math make sense for you to keep the product development and the build in-house, or to work with someone that maybe has more experience?
Having a prototype and designs for that doesn't mean it's going to translate directly to manufacturing. There's a lot involved in that process. One of the goals of the NextCorps participation in this program is to connect them early on with manufacturers so they can learn about the process and make sure that their design is something that can be manufactured.